Hello dear friends, today we want to tell you how to work with the wallet Bennett, so let's begin. To start working with the Bennett platform coins, install the original beta version of the native wallet from the app Google Play Store. Bennett Wallet is a fully native and decentralized app that allows you to generate passphrases, store them on your phone, sign outgoing transactions, and randomly connect to the Bennett network nodes. The Bennett Wallet does not connect to any centralized server. You can independently choose a node for direct access to the blockchain. All cryptographic operations and functions are performed directly on your device without transferring to the network-sensitive data and personal information. The company Soldo Constant Limited takes no responsibility for the security of your smartphone and private keys stored in the memory of your device. You can read more about this from the public offer before the first launch of the application. After carefully reading the terms of the public offer and agreeing to them, you can start working with the wallet. To get started, suggest a safe PIN code consisting of 10 characters. This PIN code will need to be entered every time you log into the wallet. Be careful, the PIN code must contain the following characters: Latin letters, numbers, and at least 2 special characters such as a question mark and a comma. A PIN code strong like this gives you the opportunity to increase the time its recovery in case you lose your smartphone or in case it falls in hands of intruders. So, you are on the main page of the Bennett wallet. Let's look at its functions. There are 4 buttons in the upper panel. Let's take a more detailed look at them. Notebook. When you click on it, the passphrase manager opens. All the accounts you have created will be displayed. Inside the password manager, you have 3 functional buttons. The first one, Create New. When pressed, the password manager closes and the passphrase of the created accounts appear in the text field. By clicking the center login button, you save this private phrase in the password manager. Second, another important function in the password manager is the Backup button. When you click on it, a PDF document with the passphrases of all your accounts is generated, which you can print and hide in a safe place. Be careful, don't send backups by email or via messengers, as this will increase the chances of attackers intercepting them and gaining access to your account. Third, next, click Close to exit the password manager. The second button on the left is a switch of account access modes. When the wallet symbol is enabled, the login will be carried out using a public key with limited transaction capabilities. When the key symbol is enabled, the login will be carried out using a passphrase and without restriction of transactions. The third button on the left is a service button that contains 3 functions. The first one, Camera. These functions allow you to scan QR codes containing passphrases to access the account. Second, Paperclip allows you to import a passphrase from a file. The third, Magnifier Glass, creates a QR code with passphrase or a public key. Be attentive and do not pass QR codes with passphrases to third parties, so you compromise your account, and also do not forget that to cancel or correct a signed transaction it is impossible. And in case of theft, unfortunately, it will not be possible to cancel transaction committed by the attacker. So, to create a new cold wallet, you only need 2 actions. First, open the password manager and create a new passphrase, which you will see in the text field of the main page. Second, next, click Sign In. When writing a new passphrase to your device memory, you will be asked to assign a wallet name. This name will be displayed in a list of your accounts stored in the password manager. When you enter the account, you can see 5 functional sections. Let's look at their function in more detail. The first section, marked with a wallet-like icon, contains a standard function for any crypto wallet. Let's take a look at them from top to bottom. First, the short address of the Bennett account for convenient identification and searching the blockchain. Second, the account name and account description. This is public data that you can write to the Bennett blockchain for voluntary verification, which is required in many countries of the world. Third, account balance in Bennett coins. Then, there are 5 service buttons. First, the button Get Coins. When you click on it, a window opens. It contains the public details of your account with which other people or services will be able to replenish your balance. Second, the button Send Coins. When you click on it, a form opens to fill in the details of the recipient of your payment. To send coins, you will need to fill in only 3 fields: the recipient's public key, the amount you want to send, and a short accompanying message if it's required. Third button, Set Account Information, is the public data that you can set to identify your account. Account information is written in the blockchain, and for this entry you need to pay the minimum commission of the Bennett network. Fourth button, Create a Voucher. This function is for the quick creation of a new account to which coins will be debited from your account. This function gives you the opportunity of instantly write a check and give it, for example, to a waiter as a tip in the form of QR code, which you just need to take a picture from the screen of your smartphone. So far, this functionality is working in test mode and doesn't allow you to create a voucher with value of more than 2 Bennett coins. In the future, the app will be redesigned and you'll be able to write checks for any amount. Be careful. The passphrases of your vouchers are not stored in the application's memory. If you don't save the QR code of the voucher, you will not be able to receive the coins stored in it. The second section, marked with an icon similar to a tractor, contains information received from the Bennett blockchain about the state of soft mining and hard mining functions. The upper scale shows the number of blocks since the specified account has contributed its block to the Bennett network. The lower indicator displays the predicted number of coins that your account will generate if you make the transaction. You can read more about the principles of soft mining and hard mining in the article of the website bennett.cc. The third section, marked with an icon looking like a hang glider, contains the transaction history. Each record contains the information about the numeric transaction ID, the number of network confirmations, the details of the sender and recipient, and the amount of coins sent. The fourth section, indicated by an icon similar to a breeze, displays information about the number of unconfirmed transactions waiting in the queue to be written to a decentralized database. And finally, the fifth section, marked with a wheel-like icon, displays the nodes of the Bennett peer-to-peer network available right now. You can choose the node through which you will send transactions of your account. We thank you for spending a little of your time on this manual, and we hope that it was useful for you. If you want to keep up to date with the latest news, subscribe to our YouTube channel or other social network from the description. All the best to you, and may the blessing of Constantine the Great be with us.